Now see what is phase? See here, it is a physical quantity which expresses the position and direction of motion of the particle at any instant with respect to mean position. Phase difference between two vibrating particles tells lack of harmony in the vibrating states of the two particles. So, this is the definition of the phase. So, let us understand how do we measure phase and the phase difference. Now, see a phase is measured in terms of fraction of time period or fraction of 2 pi angle which has elapsed since the vibrating particle has crossed its mean position in positive direction. So, actually first we take the mean position like this is here O, and the particle is going this one in this direction. This is the positive x axis and this is the negative x axis. So, actually it is measured since the particle has crossed or the time has elapsed when the particle start moving in the positive direction. So, this is about the phase, and you know mathematically it can be written in terms of the argument of the sine or cosine. Suppose you are writing in general this one, y is equal to a sine omega t plus phi naught. Here phi naught we have taken initial phase. It means particle is not starting oscillating from its mean position at t is equal to 0. It is maybe either behind the mean position or ahead of the mean position at t is equal to 0. Then we put this the phi naught initial phase. Here also we can write y is equal to a sine 2 pi upon t into t plus phi naught. By putting the values of t, we can get the position of the particle at any instant. So, phi naught is also known. Phi naught is also known as initial phase, or it is called here epoch. Both names are given for the initial phase, and this part argument of the sine. So, this phi is equal to 2 pi t upon capital T plus phi naught. So, this is known as phase of the body. So, phase of the vibrating body. Now, let us see with the help of the phase difference between the two bodies by taking their sine curve. Suppose vibration or oscillation of the two bodies are represented by the function of the sine, and we draw the graph like this. Here is y and here is t. The graph is obtained in this way for the body A, and for the body we are getting the graph like this. So, this dotted line one is for the body B and the solid line is for the body A. Now, see here, in both the graphs you are saying both the bodies are attaining maximum position at the same time, attaining 0 at the same time. Similarly, they are attaining negative, maximum negative at the same time, and also again coming back to the 0. So, these two bodies are oscillating in the same phase. So, between the oscillation of the body A and B, phase difference is 0. Suppose if you take like this graph, body A is here in this way and body B is oscillating here. So, this is for A and this is for B. In that case, this is 0 here, this is y in this axis and this is t in this axis. So, see here the body A, when it is achieving here the maximum value in positive direction, body B is attaining maximum value in negative direction. When it is going from mean position to this side, negative side, it is going to the positive side. It means both are crossing mean position here, suppose this is. So, one is going to this side and one is going to this side. Similarly, then the body B is attaining here the maximum positive value, the body A is attaining here maximum negative value. So, these two bodies have got the phase difference of 180 degree, that we call it here pi radian. So, here the body has 0 phase difference and here the body has phase difference of pi radian.